Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Shows. I'm Greg, and that's a 1972 Gran Sport Buick convertible. She's got numbers matching 350 under the hood. Let's take a look, man. Absolutely beautiful. Now that orange paint does have some metallic in it, and that sun is making the metallic just dance. All the chrome was looking sweet. I tell you, everything about this car is beautiful, and she's been on the rotisserie. That's right, the bottom side is just as shiny and painted as the top side. As you look down the side, you can see the body work on it is straight as an arrow. Just gorgeous. All the body lines are looking good. The doors are matching up nice with the front fenders. All the emblems looking good. The stainless here also looking good. Then we got white interior, which is very nice on a sunshiny day like this on a convertible. You don't have to worry about burning your ass when you sit down. Now we got seat belts up front. We got seat belts out back. Everything, look at all the trim here. Everything looking sweet. You can see that metallic dancing in the sun there. Of course, we got beautiful dash there. Dash pads in great shape. Carpeting on the floor all looks sweet. I'll tell you what, one beautiful Buick here. Now I've got memories of a Buick. A good buddy of mine had a Buick back in the day when I was in high school. We did a lot of body work on that thing and painting it in the garage. Had a blast with that car. He had it all jacked up in the back. This one's looking really stock. You can see all the chrome on the back bumpers looking good. The rubber around the taillights also looking good. Inside the trunk, I see a spare in there. Whenever you've got a mat, make sure you pull it up and look at that trunk floor. Everything looking sweet in there. We got great looking paint there around the gutter system. We got great looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. Now look down the side here. Look how nice and straight that baby is. Tell you what, they spent some time doing the body work on this car. Now we don't do any consignment, so that means we own this car. So we did our homework before we bought it. First thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get inspected. That way we can tell you all about the car when you give Tom a call. So call Tom anytime you'd like. That man answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. Let's take this Buick for a ride. Tell you, these Buicks just drive so nice. You know, they drove nice back in the day and they're still driving nice today. Just an amazing car, man. Just, I mean, real luxury right here. And the top goes down. Like I said, this white interior is awful nice on a sunshiny day. This vinyl doesn't get real hot, so it's nice and comfortable to sit on. Now we can deliver this Buick anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. It does not matter where you live in the United States. We can park this, actually anywhere in the world we can send this thing. Get around this semi-truck here. Now she's driving nice and smooth, steering nice and smooth, and she's stopping nice and smooth, seeing as how there's a semi-truck blocking the road here. There we go. It's got a real nice rumble to it. Now the motor and the trans are numbers matching in this thing, which is very cool. So you know it was well taken care of throughout the years. Now you can see down here on the dash, this is all original stuff. It's in beautiful shape from back in 1972. It does have the original radio in it. Looks like it's an AM radio, so if you're one that needs a stereo, you need to listen to some music, you're gonna wanna get yourself one of those retro radios you can hook up with your cell phone and all that. Of course, that's above my pay grade. I don't do that electronic stuff. I just drive this thing and listen to that beautiful music coming out of the tailpipes. I tell you, just cruising as smooth as can be, man. You wouldn't know it's not 1972. This thing is brand new. Get out behind this UPS truck here. And don't forget, if you want to come visit us, we would love to have you. If you need to fly in, we're close to the airport. And right now is when we're going to do something that nobody else does to every one of their vehicles. At Vanguard, we put every car on the lift, and wait till you see the bottom of this one. She is beautiful. All right, we're underneath the Buick now, and man, it is pretty under here too. You can see the new tank. Of course, you can see the body color paint on the bottom of the floorboards here looking good. Actually, you know what? I may be wrong. That is just bright colored primer. It is very close to the same color, but that is primer that is shiny. We've got fairly new exhaust. We got right around a 3.0 gear in the rear end, and it is an open rear end. It looks like new shocks, and the guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. The lower control arm bushings are in good shape. We got the extra braces here that all the SS cars had back in the day. Everything under here looks great. This primer is just as shiny as can be. That's why I thought it was the same color as the top side, man. It is beautiful under here. You see new brake lines, new fuel lines going front to back. We got the Turbo 350 trans, and it is numbers matching. Everything under here is nice and clean. We got brake lines going left to right looking good. We got new ball joints. We got disc brakes up front. The frame's all nicely painted. The front frame horns are straight. The core support's in good shape. Back side of the bumper's just as clean as the front side. I mean, it looks like a new fuel pump under here. Bottom side of the motor's all painted up looking good. Tires are in good shape. These are TAs. Then of course we got the Buick Wheels. The center paint looks good, and the chrome on the outside is in great shape, and they do look like their original 70 wheels. 225 60 15. That's what I get for trying to talk and read at the same time. We got the rocker molding looking good. The back side is nicely painted. The bottom side is nicely painted. Everything looking sweet on this thing. Now out back here, again, it looks like we got the original 72 wheels and 225 60 15s out back also. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and take a look under the hood. All right, under the hood, we got the original numbers matching 350. You can see it still has a smog pump on it also. I love that air cleaner on here. You can see it's got power brakes and it's got power steering. The inner wheelhouses are painted chassis black, looking good. They even have the boots here above the upper control arms. The whole core support area is all painted up chassis black, looking sweet. The car does have air conditioning on it. The evaporator box there looks like original fiberglass. It's nice and clean. The firewall's nice and clean. The bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. It looks like the functional air scoops here, all the foam here looks good. I mean, just everything about this car is sweet, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.